The other thing, and I've showed it to you before, but I'm going to show it to you again because I love it, is my clear quartz.
Mhm, mhm.
This I just love this. I actually have 2 of these, and these are actually underneath my healing table, and, because 1, quartz is an amplifier. It's going to amplify any energy that's around it, and when I put someone on my healing table, I wanna amplify the healing energy that I'm transmitting to my clients, and
Right.
it's also known as a master healer because it does so much more than just amplify the healers and amplify your energy. And in fact, clear quartz is used in all of our technologies today. Your
Mhm.
computer, your phone, you name it.
Watches, right?
Watches, yeah, watches. It's in there. So clear quartz is a phenomenal stone to have, whether it's a big piece like mine or even a tiny piece. Even I was gonna look for my even nope, can't find my milky quartz. There's also milky quartz, so there's a bunch of different types of quartz
Variations.
variations thereof. So talk about amethyst.
Yeah. So I'm going to say really quick, we have a number of stones that we're going to be talking about today, and using these resources to understand what their properties are. We can't
Mhm,
remember it all. So, so we're just kind of pulling out some of these, and I'm reading some of this because there's so much information to say it,
mhm,
just so you know that. But the other thing is, and we're going to be talking this in a little bit, um, when you have an intention for something that you want to support in your life and you go to a rock shop, or in the presence of different crystals, it's a lot, so much of it is about what it feels like to you and the
mhm.
benefit that it's giving to you. So even though we're saying, use it for this, that doesn't mean that's the only way that it has benefit for you.